Predator 3500 Inverter Generator Battery. The Predator 3500 Inverter Generator Battery is a rechargeable battery that comes with 12 volt and can power an RV2. While the Predator 3500 Inverter Generator is a very powerful and efficient piece of equipment, we tend to forget about the one thing that really matters when it comes to a generator: the battery. Not only does the battery need to be able to provide enough power to run the machine, but it also needs to be able to withstand the amount of stress that an inverter generator puts on its battery. What is a battery? A battery is a device that stores chemical energy and releases it through electrical energy. The components of a battery are three things such as the cathode, anode and electrolyte. Once the battery is connected to a circuit, electrons are released from the battery's anode terminal. The anode is always connected to the negative terminal of the circuit, and the cathode is always connected to the positive terminal. This electrical difference causes electrons to flow from the anode, through any electrical path in your circuit, through the cathode, and back into the anode. To create a current you need to have free ions and electrons. Predator 3500 Inverter Generator Battery. The easiest way for the anode and cathode to accomplish this is through chemical reactions. In most batteries, there are two chemicals, one that produces ions or positively charged atoms, an anion, and another that pumps those positive charges from one side of the electrolyte down into it, the cathode. To achieve electrochemical balance, these substances must be separated, which keeps them apart until they are needed to help power the machinery. A battery will become depleted over time because when you are using your machine, it is constantly producing waste that flows into the electrolyte and oxidizes or reduces in terms of its ability to hold an electrical charge required by the current device connected to it. Some batteries can be charged, but most cannot until they have lost some of their original energy in order for them to maintain their capacity in a usable state after being discharged. Considerations when buying a battery. In buying a battery, you must consider the following factors: capacity, size, weight and price. Capacity is how much charge or energy can be put into a battery in an hour. Weight refers to how heavy a battery is, while size refers to the length and width of a battery. The battery's voltage. The battery you choose should have enough voltage for your need. The battery voltage is the potential difference that exists between the positive and negative terminals of a battery. The battery voltage varies depending on the type of cell inside the battery, its terminal voltage, and temperature. If you need more voltage, you can use a battery with a higher voltage. The best way to determine the voltage of a battery is by looking at the markings on it. However, this can be difficult and time-consuming, as they may not always be visible on batteries sold online or through street vendors. If you're unsure about how much voltage your device requires, you can check for specifications online. The battery's amps. The amp capacity is how much power the battery can deliver to your device at one time. The higher the amps, the more powerful your starting of the generator, cell phone or laptop will be when it's turned on. Higher amperes allow equipment with weaker devices greater output than low batteries amperes. Amps are the number of electrons that flow through a circuit when the current is passing. However, the high ampere is always not a good choice because it requires a higher voltage between the positive and negative terminals, therefore increasing power consumption at high-tech devices. Battery life. Another important consideration of the battery is its life of the battery. It's important to check the battery company's rating on the maximum capacity of short-term or long-term use, so you can choose better. Durability and safety strip for battery life. The protection strip is an additional thing that will help certain brands become popular, even though it does not really compare with other performance features. Some manufacturers seem to be conscious about putting these powerful skills into their products, and they are very cautious in choosing voltages among others for this purpose. This strip avoids the batteries from harmful reactions and damages, is designed to avoid essentially all damage effectively without even leaking power over time. Significantly, this is a good sign not only in terms of quality but also regarding durability, since they do the double task as it reduces total energy by increasing its capacity. The second thing that can help brands become popular with different models that use these strips are those designs, usually present on most battery types, such as yellow and orange colored strip that aims to warn consumers about their structure, which is not only the safest but also the standard way of performing such tasks. Safety and the environment. The safety of people and the environment are two important factors that must be taken into consideration when buying a new battery. The job site should have adequate ventilation to prevent carbon monoxide poisoning, proper precautions for employees to avoid slips, trips and falls, and precautions for the protection of pedestrians. Warranty of the battery. You can buy the battery from Amazon for your Predator generator in case you face a problem with the electric start. When you choose a battery, you should check the warranty period. For example, a 3 or 5 years warranty is considered a decent quality battery for electric start generators. Your best option will be based on your budget and electricity usage frequently to avoid changing batteries twice in a year. It should provide the customer with 32 months warranty period to address all issues, which arise out of the wrong handling and misuse. The company holds a decent reputation for their genuine claims done by one-stop solution while providing customers complete satisfaction. Predator 3500 Inverter Generator Battery Review. After checking and reviewing many batteries, I found that the 7LBS 12V 6R battery is perfect for the replacement as the electric start battery for the Predator 3500 inverter generator. The battery for this invention is designed to run on 12 volts DC electrical sources other than batteries. It has the capability of starting a generator but also provides enough runtime needed to power other devices that are connected directly or indirectly with it, including lighting, fans and etc., because it can be wired so one could have an inverter distribution system. Batteries that are passively cooled have plates that are made from materials that produce gas when exposed to electrolytes. This gas produces heat, and this process is called a chemical reaction. These batteries offer the advantages of being able to discharge quickly, but they cannot provide an electric charge as rapidly as other batteries. Active cooling systems are available to allow these batteries to continue operating under extreme conditions. Although there is mentioned that these batteries are suitable for motorcycle, ATV, snowmobile, personal watercraft etc., however, you can also use these batteries for different appliances, including starting motor of the portable generator. Features of its 7LBS 12V 6R battery. Mighty Max batteries are designed to give you the maximum power and runtime for your vehicle as well as the generator. They have a specially formulated, sealed lead acid gel cell, which is maintenance-free and provides optimum performance. Mighty Max batteries will give you a longer lifespan per charge and a higher cycle life. The Mighty Max battery is a durable and long-lasting battery. It has an OEM design with state-of-the-art construction and materials. The battery features a spill-proof design for safety and includes manufacturer warranty. Mighty Max 7LBS 12V 6R is a direct replacement for the OEM part made of quality materials and built to strict quality control standards. The Mighty Max battery is a replacement power sport battery. Conclusion? To summarize, the Mighty Max battery is a direct replacement for the OEM part made of quality materials and built to strict quality control standards. These batteries are built to strict quality control standards that meet or exceed the original manufacturer's specifications. The battery features a spill-proof design for safety and includes manufacturer warranty. If you need a battery for the Predator 3500 inverter generator, you can choose Mighty Max 7LBS battery without any worry.